everybody, Elizabeth here at Petals and Parchment. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get started, I'd like to show you the week 2 bonus pages for the triple creature feature, and this week we're visiting the Brine Witch. Take a look. What do you think? Pretty neat, huh? I thought we would build some deep sea clusters today. Take a look at this one. These would be great to stick on the edge of your journal or to decorate a page in the bottom. So let's get started. I've got all of my elements cut out here, and the thought was to build each cluster on a piece of driftwood or use a piece of driftwood somewhere in the design. So go ahead and pick one that you like, and we'll use that as a base. I also tore some book pages that had little ships on them, and one of the pages has an actual newspaper from the 1700s trying to recruit seamen for a voyage, so I've included some of those. So I thought for this piece it would be cool to include some actual twine and rope, so I'm just going to wrap this around a few times and cut some off. Something like this. We'll get it secured down when we figure out what else is going to go on top. Let me get a few of these things a little bit out of the way. And here we have it, a few examples of some clusters that I made. This would be a great pocket, or you could put some tea-dyed paper on the back or coffee stain paper and make a journaling card. And here's this one. I think this would look really cool on the edge of a page. And I've backed all of them with a fast draft of the backing page, so it was just really light in case any of it hangs off the side. You'll see something decorative on the back. I hope you enjoyed this project. I would love to see your deep sea clusters. Share what you make in the Facebook group Petals and Parchment. Have a great crafty weekend. Until next time, bye!